Hello and welcome. This video presents PRF, a framework for building automatic program repair prototypes for JVM-based languages. By carefully examining the architecture of existing test-based generate and validate automatic program repair tools, we realize that the typical repair process in this class starts with a fault localization phase to identify faulty program locations. This is followed by a patch generation phase to generate program variants by transforming the identified locations. Then the set of test cases are executed against the generated patches to identify the ones that pass all the test cases. Finally, the set of plausible patches are post-processed before reporting them to the user. We realize that different program repair tools differ mostly in the way they generate patches and explore repair search space, and the rest of the steps are reused or reinvented between different tools. PRF separates patch generation step from the rest of the steps and provide a highly configurable framework upon which different patch generation strategies can be used as patch generation plugins. PRF provides a spectrum-based fault localization component that generates fault localization information at different levels of granularity. It also provides a safe and fast patch validation component that maximizes CPU utilization using an implementation of work stealing algorithm. Last but not least, the framework provides a highly configurable component for fixed report generation. In summary, the goal of PRF is to provide automatic program repair researchers with highly configurable tools and a unified framework using which they can build prototypes for their test-based generate and validate program repair algorithms with less effort. This is the official website for the project, which contains the source code of the system and detailed instruction on how you can use it. This website also offers a patch generation plugin for the recent automatic program repair tool CapGen together with 2 example buggy projects of different sizes. In this way, the users will be able to try PRF with a patch generation plugin installed on it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install PRF, configure CapGen patch generation plugin, and apply it on a buggy project included in this website. I'll be using a MacBook for this purpose. Since in this video we are using Defects4J projects and these projects are compatible only with JDK 7, you will need to have JDK 7 on your system. You will also need to have JDK 8 installed on your computer, as we are going to run CapGen patch generation plugin and CapGen is written using JDK 8. Last but not least, you will need to have Git version control system as well as Maven build system installed on your computer. Before you download, build and install PRF on your computer, you will need to set the value of the environment variable Java home to point to the location of JDK 7. On my computer, this directory right here happened to be the location of JDK 7. So I'm copying and paste the following command into a terminal window to set the value of environment variable Java home. The next step is to download the source code of the system on your computer and build it. For that, I'm using the following command. Once you download the project, you can navigate to the project directory like this. Then, you can use the following command to install the system on your computer. Once you see this build success message on your screen, PRF is ready to use. Now I'm going to show you how you can use PRF to apply CapGen on an example buggy Maven project. In this video, I will try to fix chart 1 from the well-known Defects4J bug database. In order to do that, you will need to navigate to the examples folder and to the bugs directory, like this. Please note that you will need to determine the location of JDK 8 so that PRF will be able to run CapGen plugin. To do so, you will need to specify that within the POM file for the buggy project and under the plugin's configuration tag. This path right here happened to be the location of JDK 8 on my computer. After adjusting the POM file, you will need to use the following 2 commands, one after the other, to build the project and invoke PRF. It will take some time for the system to invoke CapGen plugin and generate patches and run the test suite to find the plausible patches. After it is done, you will see the fix report right above the build success message on your screen. As you can see, the fix report contains the buggy file name as well as the fixing patch. Thanks for watching.